Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And in this video, we're going to be showing you how to do a latch installation with the Maxi Cosi Mico 30 base. Before you do an installation, make sure to read the manual of your car seat so you know how it operates and how it works in your specific vehicle. All right, let's jump right into it. For Maxi Cosi Mico 30, there are two rules we have to follow to ensure a proper installation. Number one, when we attach the latch system to the car and tighten it, the base should not be able to slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back. As long as it's moving less than an inch, you know it's tight enough. And never check the car seat from the back. Even if this is attached properly and snug enough, the back of the car seat can still move up and down. It'll still move side to side. In some vehicles, it can move more than others, but that's where crash force is released. So don't check from the back. Check along the belt path. All right, so let's attach our latch system. The latch connectors are part of the car seat, and there's a strap going through the front, and the connectors are attached in these storage compartments. To get them out, you're going to push the red button, and that is going to disconnect them. As you can see, there's two connectors on each end of this long strap. And what we need to do is loosen it up all the way. In order to loosen it, you're going to hold down the gray button and pull on the bottom strap. When we're ready to tighten, we pull on the top strap. And we also need to make sure that the connectors are facing the correct direction. So they should be right side up. It'll look like a whale or staple head. So line them up. We're going to feed one of the connectors through the belt path. So it's going to go in one side. It's going to come out the other side. And now we have one connector coming out from each side of the base. The strap should not be twisted or tangled, and the connector should be right side up. You now need to find the latches in your car. In my car, there are these gray buttons with a picture of a car seat, and directly below the button is an opening in the fabric, and inside the opening is our metal latch bar. If you're not sure where the latches are in your car, check your owner's manual of your vehicle. They'll tell you exactly where they are. All right. So as I said, make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled. Everything should be flat and free. Make sure the connector is right side up. It should look like a whale or staple head. I'm going to line it up with the latch in my car, and I'm just going to push it in and hear a clicking sound. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled, and make sure it's right side up. Once both sides are connected, I'm going to make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat. And on the one side, there's a tightening strap. I'm going to push down on the base with one hand. I'm going to pull on the tightening strap with my other, and I need to get it nice and snug. The way to know this is tight enough is with one hand, we're going to grab either side of the base, grab it as close to the latch strap as possible, and all you're looking for is that inch of movement. If the base does not move more than an inch, we're snug enough. Remember, don't check the back because this is still able to wobble and shake. Our second rule is to make sure the baby's at the right angle. For that, we need to pop the car seat into the base. Once the car seat's clicked into the base, you're going to look on the side of the car seat. There's a blue sticker that says level to ground, and it's pointed at this line engraved into the car seat. This line has to be level with the ground. So if you're on a flat surface, the line should be straight. If you're on a hill or slope, then the line will also be at a slope. So let's check it out. It looks like the line is not quite level, so we do need to adjust it. I'm going to remove the car seat. There's a button on the back. If you squeeze it, you can remove it. We are going to need to disconnect the latch connectors. So find the red buttons that are sticking out of your vehicle seat to pop it out. On the back of the base, there is a trigger here. If you squeeze that trigger, it changes the angle of the car seat. And there's a few different options you can choose from. Because my line was off just a little bit, I'm just going to recline it one extra notch. Because the latch connectors were tight, we need to loosen them before we reconnect it. So push the gray button and hold, and pull the bottom strap. Okay, now we're going to repeat our latch connecting phase. Make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled. Pop it into the latch. Do the same thing for the other side. We're going to tighten it. And make sure the car seat cannot move more than an inch in either direction. And now we check our angle. The line looks level with the ground. The car seat also is required for the handlebar to be at the most upright position when you're driving. If it's not at the upright position, you need to push the gray button. There's one on each side of the handlebar. You need to push them both at the same time, and then you're able to move it. If your vehicle seat is deeper, and thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.